I'm coming back home from work and I found lots of deliveries. I ordered some stuff from Amazon and I'll show you what I ordered. But this thing, one book, was number 1 or number 2 on Amazon, so I decided to order that one. Look at this t-shirt, this shirt. I was trying to iron it, but my boyfriend said, come on, you've been ironing for that one for half an hour, just quit that job. And I was like, yeah, you're right. So that's why it's still there because it's like a reminder from yesterday, you have to iron me. So anyway, let's jump to our purchases. Here you can see what has arrived just now. So this is a workout book to stretch the creativity, strengthen the craft, and sell your screenplay. Here are dead cats, and this is the organizer for the wires. I'll show you. So it looks like this, and inside it looks like this. Very convenient. This one costs something like $7, $23, $9, $10 approximately. Dead cats. If you don't know what is dead cat, so here is the recorder, and you put that cat on top of the recorder in order it would block the wind when you are shooting outside. So this is like separate recorder, let's say separate mic, and in post-production we synchronize video with audio which was recorded on separate recorder. So now you can see how it looks like. You see, so the mic is over here and it records. You put the card on the side and it records over here. It looks so funny. That's why it's called Dead Cat, because they took it from the cat. I'm joking. It's artificial fur. This one is not good. This one is really cool. So I'm gonna return this dude because, you know, look at the dead cat and look at the mic, you know, so it will cover the screen. So don't buy it. Even this one looks not bad. It's a little bit crazy, but still it doesn't cover the screen. So they come together, this one and this one. I'm gonna leave them. Here, what else we received today? Because yesterday I was baking a pie and I told to my boyfriend, we need a machine who would make the dough. So let's open it. Also we bought the forms. So it's silicone for baking bread. I'll be learning how to bake bread. And we'll see what's here inside. There were forms for some kind of buns. That's funny. You see how Amazon packs stuff. Oh, look at this machine. This is awesome. So here are the stuff which came with the machine. You saw that this one we bought separately. But wow, I love the color. I never thought that I would be so happy getting this machine. I still have to figure out how to use this stuff. I have zero clue. But we will learn it. So look, here it is explained how to use all these hooks. You see this one for the bread, this one for dough, like more flour and water, like almost equal, and this one for the eggs, because this one is light. I knew how to use this one because my grandma used to do lots of cakes when I was young and small. Now we're gonna prepare the pie. Here we have weights, professional weights, flour 400 grams, sugar 80 grams, despite in the recipe there was 100 grams, kefir, I'm sorry but I have with strawberry, baking powder, eggs, butter. We're gonna melt the butter right now. And this pie gonna called Charlotka. And we're gonna test new machine. Here is the new machine which we're gonna test right now. You see, it is ready to roll. We're gonna add 2 eggs there. Now we're gonna add sugar. And we're gonna blend absolutely everything there using this machine. Now we're gonna add kefir. So we will have strawberry taste. Now we have to add flour. My boyfriend is also helping me and also learning how to bake a pie. Now we melted the butter and we're gonna add it here. And we changed this thing, I don't know how it's called, some kind of mixer. And we will mix it again. You see, we put some protection that nothing would just fly away. Oh, I forgot to add that. We had to add to the flour the baking powder. So I added somewhat like this. I decorated somehow like this. I hope it's gonna be looking really good after that when it's baked. Here we go. You see some apples burnt a little bit on top. Here how it looks from inside. Not bad.